How to create a folder on home screen and app drawer on your Samsung Galaxy A16 and any other latest Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device. Here you can see the list of install apps. So long press the application, tap the select. Now select the application. Here we select three application. At the top right corner you can see the create folder option. So select the application and tap the create folder. Now you can see create a folder. Tap the folder name, enter the name you want to set one folder. You can also change the folder color. So tap on the round icon of color. Here you can select the folder color. You can see changes. Customize your favorite color also. Here we see blue. Now you can see change the folder color. So select the color, your favorite color you want to set from the list. You want to set. Now you can see set or create a app folder in the app drawer. To add app, tap on a plus icon. Select the application, tap on a done. To add application to folder. So this is if you want to create folder on the app screen. First of all, long press the app, tap add to home, follow the same setting, long press the application, tap add to home. Now again, now go to home screen. First of all, move all application to home screen and long press the app on home screen. Tap the select all application and tap the create folder. So follow the same step, enter the folder name like a test. Also change the folder color from this. Tap on the icon, select this folder color. So quite easy to create a folder for home screen or app drawer on a Samsung A16 any other Samsung device. To remove it, just long press the folder. Tap on a delete folder option to delete folder from your web drawer or a home screen. You can also long press it, tap the remove. That's it. Like it, share it.